Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to manage Google account on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find passwords and accounts. Of course, as you can see here, we've got whole Google section and you can add or remove a Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using this section. So let me tap on it, and as you can see right here, we've got our previously added Google account. So let's begin with removing. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to remove and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. If you've got any kind of screen occurring set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step, so simply do it. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear from this list, which means that we just successfully removed it. Of course, we can add new one. Just tap on add account, choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, but a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol. And after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. Of course, it will not work if you're entering the phone number. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, just tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, and I will stick with the first option. And as you can see here, we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can read them or check them, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, the Google account has been immediately applied to this list. So actually this is it. This is how to add or remove a Google account in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.